This chips or fries recipe is golden brown on the outside, crispy and super delicious. So I'll be showing you how to make thin fries, and it's a very easy and simple technique that you can do it. When it comes to potatoes for making your fries or chips, always go for the large potatoes because they are not super starchy. If you use the small potatoes, your chips won't turn out crispy. So I've already washed and peeled my potatoes, ready for cooking. You're going to start off by placing a pan over medium heat and add in cooking oil enough to fry your chips. Next, you're going to pick your potato, and using a knife, you're going to chop off one side, just like that. Lay the potato on the side that you chopped and cut into large strips, just like that. This is the size I'm looking for. So once done, I'm going to stack my potatoes just like that. Pick my knife and chop into thin fries. Chopping up the potatoes thinly, you're going to get a very crispy chips or fry. So once done, you're going to transfer the chopped up potatoes in some cold water. This is going to get rid of the excess starch in our potatoes. Stack the potatoes once more and chop your potatoes into fries. Transfer to my bowl. This is the size I'm going for when making my thin chips, and this is the regular potato fries or chips. So it's going to take a while to cook this one, but my thin chips is going to cook very fast. So once done, you're going to wash your potatoes until the water runs clear. So that is going to be around 2 times. So I'm going to wash mine, and I'll see you in a minute. When it comes to deep frying my potatoes, I love using neutral cooking oil, and I've already added my oil in my pan, so I'm just waiting for the oil to get hot. So I'm going to check if the oil is hot by inserting a skewer. Once I notice small bubbling, the oil is ready. If you notice that the oil is roughly bubbling, the oil is too hot and you're going to burn your chips or fries. Carefully drop in your potatoes in the cooking oil. Depending on the size of your pan, you're going to be deep frying your potatoes in batches. Hence, you're going to have very nice and crispy chips or fries. If you overcrowd your pan, your chips or fries are going to turn out soggy, and we don't want soggy fries. We need crispy and golden brown chips or fries. After 4 minutes, this is how my thin chips or fries are looking, and they're starting to crispen up and have that nice golden brown color. You can check this out. They're looking so good. And you can hear the crispiness on the outside. So I'm going to use my skimmer and shake off the excess oil. Transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Immediately, I'm going to sprinkle my thin chips with some salt. I find that adding in salt immediately the fries are from the cooking oil makes them absorb salt, so it's going to be very well seasoned. Add in my next batch. can hear the crunch of the potatoes. This is how my second batch is looking like, and the fries or chips are crispy and they're starting to have a very nice golden brown color. So I'm going to shake off the excess oil and transfer to the same plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. I love how crispy the fries or chips have turned out. So I'm going to sprinkle my fries with some salt to season. And the last step is to plate my thin fries. So this is how my thin fries are looking after plating, and I've served up with some ketchup. You can also serve up with some sweet chili or tomato sauce, and it's still going to be very delicious. So this recipe is worth trying, and I'm just going to be doing that. So I'm going to pick one and dunk into my ketchup and taste. Very nice. Just listen to that crunch. Amazing. So I hope you'll be trying out this thin fries recipe that cooks very fast and it's so easy to prepare. Best served with some ketchup or even with some sausages, and enjoy.